Ducts and Cleats has been in the HVAC industry for over 54 years.
Our business is providing clean air to all types of facilities, both residential, schools, office towers, nursing homes. That's what we do here at ISO-Aire. We clean the air, we use our experiences to make that happen.
ISO-Aire was born out of the need at the beginning of the pandemic for a clean air solution for hospitals. We realized that the pandemic was spreading to the rest of the country, and not only hospitals needed a way to operate safely, but everyone else, whether a school or a business, needed to be able to open safely and move through this pandemic and keep their occupants safe.
And through our history of using medical grade products and components, we developed our recirculating ISO-Aire units. Some of the facilities that we're getting requests have very poor air ventilation because they're older systems or no systems at all.
Whether you've got a school or an office space, ISO-Aire goes a long way towards providing that safe place that people can come back into and feel comfortable doing so.
All the clients that do have ISO-Aire units are all very pleased.
I've heard a lot of my coworkers say that they can just breathe better in general. We have a couple people here who have asthma, and they have said that it has impacted them a lot. They don't have to use their inhaler nearly as much anymore.
A North Metro school unveils its new air filtration system as it gets ready to welcome students back to class. Legacy Christian Academy in Andover is the first school in Minnesota to install this state-of-the-art air cleaning technology.
You know, I have already seen the impacts of ISO-Aire, even talking with our staff that are currently present, and just the difference in air quality.
Our ISO-Aire units are built on durability and performance. Everything that we do inside that cabinet is to make sure that the machine performs above what it's required to do.
We manufacture ISO-Aire units right here in the United States. We're actually headquartered here in St. Paul, Minnesota.
Part of the reason why we're really happy to have the ISO-Aire system is because we've noticed since we've had it, we have documented less colds, fevers, running noses, strep throat. We haven't even had pink eye. We just haven't seen hardly any of that at all compared to a year ago. Our toddler room, the kids never usually miss a day, and that's one of the rooms where the kids are touching each other constantly. It's impossible to stay 6 feet away from them, and those particular group of children has been amazingly healthy.
My father spent 20 years working at Albers back from 1970 till 1992 before he retired. And I mean, these are the people that have worked in all the buildings in St. Paul and Minneapolis, done phenomenal work for everybody, and I mean, they're the kind of people you want working for you because they're professionals, they stand behind their work, they're going to do a great job for you, and they care about what they're doing. People like that don't just put out a product and walk away from it. It's going to be here forever, and they're going to service it, and they're going to maintain it, and it's our union members that are being the people that are building and fabricating and installing these systems to make life better for everybody on the outside.
I would say if you're looking for a solution, not only for today, but for the future, to protect and provide a safe place against bacteria, viruses, allergens, and just simply helping people breathe easier in your space, ISO-Aire is right for you because we have a proper design, not only performs, but lasts. To learn more about ISO-Aire and how it can provide medically clean air for your facility, go to iso-aire.com.